Hello everyone. This is Dr. R. Sasikumar, Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Department from RMDEC Engineering College, Chennai. Today we are going to discuss about TCP connection termination. In our previous video, I have explained the TCP connection establishment. Now, the continuation of that previous video, how to close the connection, how to terminate the connection. So the topic is TCP connection termination. So again, we have to use that three-way handshaking. So the three-way handshaking is also used for the connection termination. The first step, the client TCP, after receiving a close command from the client process, send the first segment, a FIN segment in which the FIN flag is set. If you want to establish a connection setting, then the flag setting is what? SYN. If you want to close the connection setting, then the flag command is what? FIN. Now, the FIN is initiated by the client that will be forwarded to the server. What is the meaning? I have no message so far, so I want to terminate my connection. That is a message given by the client to the server. The server, after receiving the command from the client, then the server will give the response to that client. Okay, I received your message successfully. You can close your connection. And also I want to close my connection. Okay, that is the message given by the server to the client. Again, the server will give the FIN message, FIN segment to the client also. So not only for a FIN segment, also attached for that ACK. The acknowledgement is nothing but what? Based on that client message, the server will give the acknowledgement, and also the server own message. Now, based on that message received from that server, the client will give the will send the acknowledgement. Yes, you can close your connection. Okay, so this is the three-way handshaking which is used for connection termination. So obviously, right, the left hand side is what? A client process, the right hand side is a server process. Once the server is on condition, then the client will be on conditions. And who will initiate that first means what? The the client is always initiated first. The client is called what? Active participant, and the server is called what? Passive participant. Okay, so the client process active close. Okay, now the client wants to close the connection. So that is the message is active close. What is the sequence number? X. What is the topological number? Y. So here F is nothing but what? A FIN. FIN represent what? I want to close my connection. That is the message given by the client to the server. Now the server will give the reply to the client based on that message. Okay, what is that reply? Obviously, what? I am the client, you are the server means what? I have no data so far. So today I'm going to stop my video, and tomorrow I will send another connection. So I have no data. So that is a meaning. So you can close your connection. That is a message given by the server to the client. Okay, now the second reply, the server will send a reply to the client and also send the termination connection to the client also. Now the passive close. Passive is nothing but what? Server. The server also ready to close his connection. Okay, so it will send a message. What is that sequence number? Y. That is its own segment, and acknowledgement equal to X plus 1. What is the meaning of that acknowledgement? Means what? The client message is what? X. So X plus 1. Okay, you can close your connections, and I want to expect the acknowledgement. So FIN plus acknowledgement. FIN is nothing but what? The server also going to close his connection. At the same time, based on the client message, the server will give the reply, that is acknowledgement. So now server own segment along with the acknowledgement combined together, that will be forwarded to client. Okay, after receiving that message from the server, then the connection will be terminated. Okay, and the client will give the acknowledgement to the server. I have received a request from you. Okay, you can also close your connection. That is a message. So the client only send acknowledgement to the server. What is the acknowledgement number? Means what? The segment number is Y. So the acknowledgement number is what? Y plus 1. Okay, now the server also connection closed. So this is the way to close the connection, both the client side and server side. This will be happened with the help of a three-way handshaking. Thank you.